Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we will talk about the Convertri affiliate program. Convertri is a software platform designed to help you create high-performing sales funnels and landing pages. It's known for its speed, design flexibility, and sales funnel creation. It is an excellent option for entrepreneurs, marketers, or business owners who want to create conversion-focused web pages. Convertri has a great affiliate partner program. It offers a monthly commission of 30% with zero payout limits and an automatic approval. It is one of the easiest affiliate program out there. You get 30% commission for each person you refer, which is roughly $30 per person you refer. Your payment repeats every month, and the best part is that there are no payout limits. It's an effortless way to earn a monthly income. People love Convertri. It has great reviews. You only need 4 referrals to use Convertri for free. You can easily get referrals through word of mouth using the Powered by Convertri batch and sharing funnels. They also provide you a free pre-sale funnel to sell Convertri with professionally designed and recorded pre-sale video. They claim you can get started in 3 minutes. The link to the Convertri affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.